Hello and welcome to another one of these ADD videos. Today we're going to look at part 2 of the Trig functions example problems. These types of problems have a point given and it says that the terminal leg of an angle goes through that point. So what do you do when you're encountering this type of problem? Well, you just literally plot the point. In this case it's 3, 4, so we're in the first quadrant, and we drop a line to the x-axis, and when we do that, we know that the adjacent leg to the central angle will be, sorry, I'm having troubles drawing triangles today, oops, you get the idea, that this is the x value, this is the y value, right? So that means this is 4, this is 3. Use your Pythagorean theorem to figure out what the hypotenuse is. So we got 9 plus 16 is 25 equals c squared. And remember, the hypotenuse has to be only in the positive root. So if we square root both sides, we're going to end up with c equals 5. So it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. As a result, we can just do our SOHCAHTOA. Sine theta is equal to 4 over 5. As a result, we know that cosecant theta is its reciprocal, 5 over 4. Cosine theta would be the adjacent leg, 3 over 5, and its reciprocal, secant theta, is 5 over 3. Note, because it's in the first quadrant, they're all going to be positive. Opposite over adjacent. Your theta is the central angle again. Cotangent would be. Okay, pretty straightforward stuff, right? Hopefully it's made sense. Ooh, hard to highlight when it's small. Let's try that. All right, let's look at the next problem. Next problem, again, pause and try these problems if you're working on them at home. I really recommend that you do these as I'm doing them. Pause the video, try the problem, and then check your answer. So here we have a terminal leg going through -2, -5. So again, we're going to draw a coordinate system. -2 in the x direction would be over here, and then -5 would put us in this quadrant. Draw a line going through it, back to the x-axis always. That's negative, that's negative. The missing leg would be, or missing hypotenuse would be (4 plus 25 equals c squared, so root 29 is c. Again, we can only use the positive one, so just SOHCAHTOA from there. You got to rationalize in this case. If you don't know what I mean by SOHCAHTOA, you haven't watched the concept video, I recommend you go back and watch it. And if I rationalize, it'll be the same scenarios up here, so we would have a similar pattern. And then tangent would be 5/2. Cosecant would be root 29 over 5. Secant would be root 29 over 2. And then cotangent would be 2/5. Okay? So these should be pretty straightforward. At first you might not have a clue on how to do this, but now that you know what's going on, they shouldn't be too intimidating anymore. Oh, green highlighter, huh? Okay, we'll do green. That's fine. Those are your answers there. For those of you checking your work. Okay? Hope I've clarified any confusion you might have with these type of problems. Practice, practice, practice. Thank you and have a nice day. Decided to make this one a little shorter. Sorry about that last one.